Tired of unexpected Netflix charges hitting your bank account? Let's jump straight into how to cancel your Netflix auto payment, putting you back in control of your subscription. First, head over to the Netflix website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Account from the list. You'll be directed to your account settings. Scroll down until you see the Membership and Billing section. This is where the magic happens. Spot the Cancel Membership button. Give it a click. Netflix will try to persuade you to stay, but stick to your guns. You'll see a confirmation page asking if you're sure. Click the Finish Cancellation button to confirm your decision. And that's it. You'll see a confirmation message that your cancellation is complete. You can still enjoy Netflix until the end of your current billing cycle. Remember to mark your calendar so you aren't surprised. If you ever want to resubscribe, simply click the Restart Membership button. Managing your Netflix subscription is now a breeze.